My shit fucking made it. Wow, my niggas is out here. Yo, that's my V. Morning Proper Flex YouTube, we back. I have not recorded the famous 5 in about a year. Nah, maybe like 8 months. But the last update I had with you guys was the gas tank leaking and the coilover situation going on in the back. Since then, we upgraded cars, but that's gone now. So we back on Team 5. And I'm on the journey of bringing it back to life today. We're gonna get this shit out of the driveway. You know, she's still low as a motherfucker. Still low. We got the stock wheels on right now. She's still, I haven't even washed this car in a year, man. So for her to still be looking fucking clean to me is amazing. She just has some flats. But anyway, what we're gonna do is put the plate on. I bought the gas tank yesterday from the junkyard. And I'm gonna go pick up a battery in a little bit. Here we are. Here is the gas tank for the E60. The fucking filler neck that I showed y'all with the goddamn hole in it. This is that. And we're good to go, man. Like, this shit was such a fucking pain in the ass to find. We good to go now. Brand new filler neck. As you can see in the last video, I don't think I showed it in the video, but the hole was on the neck in the last video. Got the battery. We're gonna throw the battery in the E60, and we're gonna see if this shit starts backward. I don't even smoke backwards, that's crazy. I smoke raw and papers. But word, they're gonna install the battery and all that shit, so give me a couple minutes and stay tuned. I just put the battery in that bitch, and as you can see, the light is on. We got some power. I'm gonna try to start the car. The car hasn't been started in months. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. Fucking flex. We at RPA Autos. Shout out my nigga Benny and my nigga Ralphie. We in Freeport right now. As you can see, they always got the heat over there. They got the little hatchback E30. I be seeing that nigga at Immaculate. That shit right hand drive too. But we not here for that. We here for my shit, my nigga. Fuck is you talking about? We back, about to get this bitch on the road. I'll do a quick walk around, see what else they got over here. They always got some nice shit. That shit is hard. It's like I time travel, so I'm back to pick up the V. I got my nigga Auto Boy with me. My shit is ready. I got 2 flats though, so we're gonna fix that in a minute. But the tow truck is here, we're gonna tow it back. And I have not started this car in a long time. I forgot what it sounds like. Got an M3 behind me. Forgot what my bitch sound like, so yeah. We back out here and shit. Today the car is about to get picked up and towed down to Atlanta. We fixed it. It runs. We got it back home. But real quick before we get it on the truck, we got to change her shoes. We did half and half. You know what I mean? See if I can get a quick video of the drop.
regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
It's like I teleport. I'm back in GA, back at the lands, and the 5 is about to pull up. My niggas is out there. Yo, that's my V. Big motherfucker. I'm sitting here, I gotta watch the ladders and stuff real quick. They drove from New York, 6 cars deep. We in Georgia. They caught 2 flats on the way this morning, had to repair it. They pulled up with my car and the battery to lower the ramps died. So they gotta go to AutoZone now, get a battery pack or something like that to replace it real quick. There's an AutoZone down the street literally, so I'm not even mad. Like, I'm just really respecting the hustle. These some 2 young brothers really out here getting it done, going through the bullshit. As you can see, not everything is an easy 1, 2, 3 sell. Shit happens, but you gotta just keep pushing through it and make it happen. Like, I told them, don't even stress nothing, I'm here. Like, I'm not even mad. I'm just glad that they made it down to Georgia safe with everybody's car and my car. So stay tuned. They should be back in about 10 minutes and we'll tune back in. Back. Apparently the battery died. That controls the levers to lower the car. Wood because we low as fuck. Got the other wood for the front. Let's get this thing. Good. Back is good. Back is good. Wow. So this is kind of surreal. I got my fucking Betsy in fucking Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? This is kind of crazy. Wow. Got my Betsy. Wow. Oh yeah. Review's coming soon, baby.